Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to get audio eraser on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open, select Skip and tap on Register Now. Now just select Sign in with Google and select your Gmail account. Now just click on import file. Now just select the file type which you want to import. I will select video. Now from here just select the video which you want to remove the background noise of. Then tap on done. Now just click on it. Now just select the type of noise which you want to remove. I will select AC. Now just tap on create. I will remove the background noise from this video. Now as you can see, this is the video before uploading. Now just click on upload file. Now as you can see, it finished processing. Now just click on it and tap on skip. Now from here just select no AC. I will remove the background noise from this video. Now as you can see, it has removed the background noise from this video. Now for comparison, this is the original video. I will remove the background noise from this video. Now to save the file, just tap on save and select start export. Now just select save to album and tap on OK. Now you can find this video in your gallery app. I will remove the background noise from this video. And this is how you can get audio eraser on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.